Hello guys, I am Shahid and in this video I will show you how you can add your own logo or watermark. And after that I will show you how to add elements on your videos. So let's start. I will import some videos for showing you. So if you want to add a watermark or your own logo, first you need to import the file. Be sure the file format is PNG because PNG doesn't have a background. So the file is imported and I will drop it down to my video timeline and select the area that you want to show your logo. I want in my full video, so I select full. Now select the area that you want to display your logo. You can resize the logo like this. And then select the area. This is how it looks like. You can add text also. In my previous video I will show you how to add text. You can watch that video if you want to add text. I will give link in my description. Now it looks good. And if you see a logo here, it is solid in color, and if you want to transparent it a little bit, I will show you how to do that. Click on your logo timeline and here you see compositing. Click on it and here you can choose the opacity. So I will select it to 50. You can do this for text also. First you need to click a text timeline and then video, and you will see here a compositing. Now you can choose the opacity of text here. Now I will show you how it looks like. Now you can see here the logo and the text will transparent a little bit. So we have learned how to add your own logo, and now I will show you how to add elements on your videos. First I will delete this. Now if you want to add elements, you can see here elements. Click on it and it will show you some elements. Now if you want to see a preview, double click on it and it will show you a preview. I will show you some element preview. Now if I want this element, I will drop it down to timeline. Now I will show you how it looks. And if you want to add text, you can add it also. And after doing this, I will show you how it looks like. And if I want to show text after some seconds, I can do this also. I will manage it in my timeline. And if I want to first to play an element and after that my video, I will manage it in my timeline. And now I will show you if it works or not. So we have learned how to add logo and elements in your videos. And if you want to learn Filmora X or any other software, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss any of my update. Thanks for watching.